hiding. Oh. Very good one. Look at this. Powder too.
Oh. Crap.
It looks funny.
Noob, get out of there.
So try and go up there.
I'm not gonna go up there. Look how high it is. It doesn't look very big on the camera, but it's huge. Oh, look at that one. It's like all the way up to the window on their house. I'm not gonna walk all the way down here.
It's actually not that cold out here, is it?
It's just windy.
Keep going until we get to the house.
Oh, look at these drifts. It's gonna cover their windows soon. Oh, look at that tree. It's gonna tip over. I want to get pushed
by a tree, especially one with a big trunk. Oh!
We have the same mother. People see our tracks in the snow. You're gonna be like, what the heck?
What are you guys doing?
Mom thinks I'm out here just taking pictures.
Where's the house?
I don't want to walk back by myself.
Why?
Cause.
Well, you better just come over there.
No, I'm not coming over there. Oh, it's like a hill. Wonder how long this records. Ah! Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna go back now. This is ridiculous.